Jason here with Dose Moving and Storage. Hey, the holiday season is upon us, and here are 5 things that you can do this Christmas season right here in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's go. Coming in at number 5, we have World of Illumination, one of the best drive-through Christmas light shows in the U.S. Here in the Phoenix area, we have one in Tempe and another in Glendale. The times are 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., so you have plenty of time to get in line and watch a diverse amount of lights. Number 4, we are here at Christmas at the Princess in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is an awesome place to come. Millions of lights in the light show, Ferris wheel, sleigh rides, ice skating rink, hot cocoa, and the kids can visit with Santa, tell him their wish list, and get pictures. This is a great place to come this Christmas season. At the Princess this year, they've also got a 5-minute show featuring Coco the Bear. It plays every 30 minutes, and you and the kids do not want to miss out. And for my parents out there, they also have a Christmas bar near the Comet's Caboose. Great place to grab a drink before you climb aboard the Princess Express train. We are down here at the state-of-the-art Symphony Hall in downtown Phoenix, where they will be hosting their annual Nutcracker performance. This is great to get out to, great for date night, great for families, and it's just an awesome way to kick off the holiday with some holiday spirit. Coming in at our number 2 spot, we have Main Street. On Friday evenings, they have live music at the Christmas tree. Once you're done listening to music, you can get a chance to visit with Santa and take pictures. When you start to get hungry, head your way to Jack Frost Truck Forest. There's plenty of diverse food and treats on the street. And coming in at our number 1 spot is the famous Zoo Lights. This is for all ages. When you first enter, you're overwhelmed with 4 million lights and over 2 miles worth of lights to see. When you need a break from looking at animals under the lights, we suggest getting some s'mores and hot cocoa in the Glow Garden. I hope you liked this video. We're going to do a lot more community-focused videos just like this one. So like and subscribe. And on behalf of the entire team here at Dose Moving and Storage, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.